Here we have the NT600, okay, with the 250-gram hopper for the beans, of course, okay. And as we take a look, nearly all black. Okay. This was is quite simple, yet elegant and easy and functional. Okay, a simple on and off switch. Okay, with overload fuse. Okay, again 250-gram bean hopper, and a control, of course, for our grind size. Okay, from fine all the way to more coarse. Here's where we keep our grind. Put this in here, okay? Beans in the hopper, and power on. The grind fills the cup, power off. Simple and functional.